Yum! Hey everyone, it's me, Sonia. Today I'm going to show you how to make my everyday high protein breakfast pancakes. Yum! You will need egg whites, 3/4 of a cup or 4 egg whites. Oats, 1 big 1/4 of a cup. Chia seeds, a spoon. Greek yogurt, teaspoon. Stevia, about a teaspoon. Pumpkin spice, we forgot. A splash of vanilla, splash of water, and a full serving of vegetables with a handful of kale. Almost forgot the pumpkin spice. Blend it until you get a nice shade of green and every bit of kale has broken down. Medium heat. Your favorite nonstick pan. Olive oil spray. Ready to pour your first pancake. I like to spread them out so they're nice and thin. Edges are dry. It's time to flip. Use our rubber spatula. Beautiful. I like to top mine with applesauce, peanut butter, and maple syrup. And strawberries. Yum! And there you have it. Perfect balance of protein, carbohydrates, fruit, vegetable, fats. Great way to start your day. And so tasty.